Order delivery service from Myeongdong Topokki outlet.
明洞韩式年糕店的外卖送到。主菜开箱
Unbox the main course.
Hangul chicken Deopbap.
Typically a Korean fried chicken rice.
韩式鸡饭，是一个
Chicken fried in Korean spicy sauce. Rich taste, not bad.
韩式辣酱炸鸡，入味，不错吃。
Unbox the side dishes. Veggie, soup, anchovies, kimchi,
配菜有泡菜、江鱼仔、豆角和清汤，
tea, free of charge 1.
茶水免费给。
Mr. Hill, here's your order, enjoy.
Thanks, dear.
这份是你的，给。
Here's my order.
这个才是我的。
Unbox the main course. Chicken Bibimbap.
韩式鸡肉拌饭，
Comprise of various ingredients.
有很多料的哦。
Fried egg, chicken, mushroom and assorted veggies.
煎蛋、鸡肉碎、冬菇和综合菜蔬拌饭吃。
Unbox the side dishes.
打开配菜，
Kimchi. Bibimbap sauce. Veggies. Soup. Anchovies.
Basically, side dishes are alike.
配菜是一样的，有泡菜、江鱼仔、豆角和清汤，多了一个拌酱。
Time to eat.
要开动了哦！
Mix all the ingredients.
所有材料拌匀，
Add some sauce.
加入拌酱。这套餐最好的地方是一餐就可以吃上好多东西，有鸡肉、鸡蛋、各种蔬菜和米饭，几乎所有营养都吃进肚子了。
This meal is great for I can enjoy lots of dishes in one meal, inclusive of most nutrients needed by the body.
Hi, this is Hill and Cerise from Kudos to You channel.
Kudos to You is a foodie discovery channel featuring product unbox and food review. Fast food and instant noodles are our core. Local delights and community recommended good food are featured here as well.
Join us to explore delicious food together. Subscribe Kudos to You channel now.
Then only we have chance to tell you stories about food. Which one is tasty and yummy? Which one tastes so only?
Don't miss the exciting foodie journey with us. Just 3 clicks. You will have various food updates every week. Click subscribe. Click the bell. Click all.
Then we're all set for our virtual foodie journey every Tuesday.
还没订阅的朋友，记得订阅哦，给小丽一些支持。
Time for food review. For Kudos score, out of 10 points, 7.5 points for today's foodie experience.
Kudos score is a simple measuring tool indicating our personal experience and preference at the time being.
No advertising or slandering attempts throughout the video production.
这餐的开动值7.5分，求点赞，求订阅，我们下周2一起开动哦。